What's up, guys? It's Jordan, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Liw UNC. What's up, guys? Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. It's Jordan, and just before we get into the video, I just want to say we're only about like 60 subs away from 400. I want to thank every single one of you for tuning into the channel. Thank you guys so much. It really means a lot, and we're gonna keep growing. I love doing these YouTube videos, so if you guys want to stay tuned, make sure to drop a sub. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these shoes. So the Nike Dunk Liw UNCs. These recently dropped last Thursday, and the hype was already there because of the colorway and the name of these shoes. These retailed for $100. They came in men's sizing, and these were an automatic sellout at every retailer. You could sign up by raffles, Nike sneakers, all the tier 0 retailers. Just seeing these shoes, we already know a past dunk that looks like this, which is the Coast Dunk, which came in women's sizing, and those did amazing. As we saw, a lot of people love those. Those were really trending on social media. We saw a lot of people with their pairs, rocking their pairs, and yeah, overall those had really good quality. But now we get an official UNC colorway. Jordan and Nike have really been pushing out these UNC colorways. We can see the madness it caused in the Jordan 1 UNC, which when I went to raffles and signups for those, they were running out of tickets. I mean, like these huge rolls of tickets, they were running out because so many people were after the UNCs. Same thing with the UNC 4. A lot of craziness happening over those too. Of course, we had fights and stuff go on just for the UNC 4 colorway, which is crazy. And now Nike knows their audience. They know how much hype is behind this UNC colorway. So now we get it in the UNC Liw Dunk. And overall, I'm already happy because I was able to hit these off the sneakers app. And if you guys try on the sneakers app, you know how hard it is to get any pair of shoes off the sneakers app. So yeah, right off the bat, super happy about that. But now let's go ahead and dive into these shoes. So before we get into the shoes, I always like to take a look at the box. You guys can see regular Nike Dunk box, red with the white Nike logo on the top, flip open lid. You guys can see the bottom, and there is the label and size tag. So yeah, now we can actually take a look at these beautiful sneakers. Starting from the bottom, we have this UNC colorway outsole. Nothing. Oh! So starting from the bottom, you got the UNC outsole right there. Nothing too crazy. Moving to the midsole, you got this perfect pure white going all around the shoes. Now, we are going to get into the leather. A lot of the dunks we have been seeing from Nike, the leather quality hasn't been the best. It is because they know that they don't have to put the best quality materials into the shoe for us to get it. Personally, I'm not a big dunks fan, but I really do like this colorway. It is clean, and as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, I'm more of a Jordan person, you know, but these dunks are actually really clean. No wrinkles, no tumbled leather, no nothing like that. As you guys can see, it is very hard, whether that be the UNC leather or the pure white leather. No wrinkles, no nothing like that. On the back, you have embroidered white Nike logo right there. And then on the tongues, you have the Nike with the Nike swoosh in the UNC blue. Insoles are blue with the Nike in white. In my opinion, these shoes are really dope. They're a great summer shoe. Quality is not the best, but it makes up for it in how it looks as a shoe. Like in California, I can just picture myself wearing these in California. These are gonna look amazing. But yeah, definitely dope shoe. Nothing too much to get into the details about. Just very basic. You got the blue laces. These don't come with extra laces, but I think the blue laces look great on them already. So now I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll so you guys can see all the details I am talking about. If you guys want to keep up to date with new sneaker unboxings on the channel, make sure to subscribe. We're only like 60 subs away from 400, and that's going to be a huge milestone for me. So if you guys want to stick around, make sure to drop a sub. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the UNC Low Dunks. Are you guys rocking, or were these a cop or a drop for you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope y'all have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day, and hopefully I will see you next time. Jordan out. Hey. That's how we started. Good fit. You get these?
Cody just has terrible opinions.
Hey,
He's hating on everything, bro.
It's diabolical footwear.
Cody's hating on everything.